Hello guys, welcome to my blog. Today I'm going to discuss on the topic of natural and safe melatonin tablets, which we take for getting a good sleep. After taking the tablet, you will fall asleep soon. Yes, this tablet I have taken. This is 10 mg. First, I started with 5 mg tablet. I was happy. It worked for me 2 weeks. Then again, I have to double my dose. I have brought this from the Amazon. Okay, there are so many brands getting, even medical shop. Also, it will get you, but English medicine without prescription, no one will give you. So after taking this medicine, I realize 5 mg. Then I have to go for 10 mg. Then after taking 10 mg, also, I'm not getting good sleep. Then I thought I have to stop all this product. So I started doing the workout. Morning I'm waking up early. Like my job timing is 12 to 10:30, 11 o'clock. 11 p.m. I used to work. 10 to 11 hours I used to spend in front of my laptop. So I stopped doing any workout early days. Then I was depending on this tablet. I have to take this tablet to get a better sleep. Then I thought, no, all this make you habit. It is a mindset. If you keep the mindset of taking the tablet, I will get the sleep. You have to remove that. Melatonin is a safe, I know, but only for short time, not for a long time. Like for until whole year you're going to continue. No, first make your body tired. Then I started doing the workout, going gym, jogging. I'm making myself busy and making my body to get tired so that at night I can feel tired and get better sleep. This routine I am following, so it's working for me now. I suggest for you guys also, don't depend on any tablet medicines. They will say it's natural and safe, but they will be a minor or major side effect. I'm not sure what will be the side effect, but get a natural sleep, go to bed early and try to wake up early morning. If nowadays, no, before sleeping we are spending hours on mobile. Okay, do you think that get a bit better sleep before going bed? Switch off your mobile, keep aside, stop using the mobile. My habit was good earlier. Earlier I was very slim. After the COVID time, I spoiled my habit, sleeping pattern, everything is changed. Yes, in COVID time, because don't work from home, so we don't have any work. We cannot go outside. We need to spend watching movies, playing games, watching PS4 games. So I spend late night sleeping 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, like that. Then complete my health is spoiled. Have gained weight. So depends on several factor. You will not get better sleep if you're keeping tension in your mind, loan tension, that tension. If you're keeping many tension, right, you will not get any sleep. So you have to stress your free. So start doing workout, any physical activity, play cricket, tennis, anything. You get tired. Okay, that's it, guys. Oh yeah, I have to show the tablet also, right? So this is the tablet size. I will zoom and show you. This is 10 mg. It's good for a short time. Once in a week, if you're not getting sleep, that time it's very useful. But if you're keeping the habit, daily taking, it's not going to work out for you. Once in a while, you can take the tablet when you're not getting sleep. But if you're making the habit, okay, 11 o'clock now, I have to take the tablet, it's no use. Okay guys, that's it from my side. If you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Bye. Stay healthy, stay safe. Health is wealth. Okay.